We go back one step further in the series on Spring OAuth 2. You can follow the series by clicking on the link in the upper right corner. Today we are going to show you how to display the JWT access token, the refresh token, and the JWT ID token in the Spring OAuth 2 client. We start with the code of part 11. You can find this video by clicking on the link in the upper right corner. In the welcome controller we have created two new methods, token and ID token. We start with the code for the JWT access token and the refresh token. First we need the OAuth 2 authorized client service. This can be done with constructor dependency injection. I use Lombok with the required args constructor annotation, but you can also do it manually by creating the constructor yourself. Second, we need to make authentication available. This can be done in two ways. We can use method injection or through the security context holder. The next step is the OAuth 2 authentication token and the OAuth 2 authorized client. Now we can use AccessToken and RefreshToken to make the token available in the response. The code for the ID token is a little simpler. With the authentication principal annotation we make the OIDC user available. From the OIDC user we can use getIDToken. We can make the ID token available directly in the response. This was all for the code. We can launch the Spring Authorization Server, the Spring Resource Server, and the Spring OAuth 2 client and look at the result in a browser window. Once we have started the three apps we can look in the browser window. First we need to log in with the user account and password. Then we can go to the token endpoint where we can see the JWT access token and the refresh token. Then we go to the ID token endpoint. There we can see the JWT ID token. This was it for today. Thanks for following, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.